Hello everyone, my name is Krystal Jackson, and today I will be discussing immersive learning environments. The evolution of the internet has revolutionized the educational landscape, transforming how knowledge is assessed, shared, and applied. As digital technologies come to advance, the shift from Web 1.0 static content delivery to Web 2.0's interactive and user generated platforms has set the stage for a more immersive and dynamic phase, Web 3.0. The latest iteration is characterized by the emergence of virtual worlds and immersive learning environments, also known as ILEs, which blends synchronous tools such as live chats, audio, collaborative whiteboards, and asynchronous elements such as learning modules, embedded media, and digital simulations, all to create a highly interactive 3D educational experience. What is immersive learning environments? Immersive learning environments are digitally constructed, often 3D spaces that fully engage users into interactive educational experiences. These environments are characterized using virtual reality, augmented reality, mixed reality, and other extended reality tools to simulate real world scenarios or abstract concepts in ways that are visually and cognitively engaging. They allow learners to enter the content, interact with digital avatars, manipulate virtual objects, and participate in simulations that replicates real-life decision-making and problem-solving tasks. Here we will speak on Web 3.0 and virtual worlds in learning. Web 3.0 technologies, especially virtual worlds such as Second Life, open simulators, and platforms like Mozilla Hubs, they offer an integration of synchronous, which is voice and text communications, live presentations, whiteboards, and asynchronous like tutorials, embedded quizzes, or static contents. Web 3.0 also incorporates semantic web capabilities, enabling content to be personalized and intelligently adapted to the learner's needs. From my current understanding and professional experience, immersive learning environments are already being used in sectors such as healthcare, manufacturing, and educational. In my organization, immersive learning could be a transformative tool to engage both students and staff. For example, professional developed workshops could be delivered in VR, allowing teachers to practice workplace management in simulated settings or to participate in role playing exercises that foster cultural competence and conflict resolution. Existing knowledge and understanding of immersive learning. Their key benefits includes improved knowledge retention through experimental learning, safe environments for practice and error without real-world consequences, real-time feedback and performance tracking, and enhanced motivation and engagement through gamification and visual stimuli. Integration into organization learning strategy. To successfully integrate immersive learning environments into our organization's learning strategy, the following steps may be considered: needs assessment and goals alignment, infrastructure and accessibility, content development and customization, training and technical support, and evaluation and feedback loop. I have had the opportunity to engage with immersive learning through web-based simulation platforms and limited virtual reality, also known as VR, or training tools. In one instance, an online simulation model was used for conflict resolution trainings during a professional development session. This tool allowed my participants to interact with avatars representing students, parents, and colleagues to practice appropriate responses in challenging workplace scenarios. Curriculum designers and educational stakeholders can be motivated to adopt immersive learning environments and Web 3.0 based approaches for a variety of pedagogical, institutional, and social reasons. One, enhance learner engagement and retention. Two, preparation for future careers. Three, increase accessibility and personalization. Four, institutional innovation and reputation. And five, evidence-based practice and research. What are the practical obstacles to using these forms of technology? While immersive learning environments offer numerous benefits such as improved engagement, experimental learning, and workforce readiness, their adoption is often hindered by a range of practical obstacles. These challenges affect curriculum designers, educators, institutions, and learners alike, and can significantly impact the feasibility and scalability of integrating immersive technologies such as virtual reality. Some of the obstacles may be high initial and maintenance costs, lack of technical expertise, accessibility and equity concerns, curriculum integration challenges, time constraints and learning curves, limited research, limited research on long-term effectiveness. What does literature suggest regarding the impact of such technology on cognitive processes, memory function, and learner engagement? The integration of immersive learning environments and Web 3.0 technologies such as virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality has attracted significant attention in recent educational research. The literature provides growing evidence that these technologies can positively influence cognitive processes, memory function, and learner engagement by offering multi-sensory, interactive, and realistic experiences that promote active learning. In conclusion, immersive learning environments represent a significant advancement in educational technology, offering dynamic interactive experiences that enhances learners' engagements, memory retention, and cognitive development. As virtual worlds and 3D simulations become more accessible, they provide more unique opportunities to integrate real world problem solving, collaboration, and critical thinking into curriculum design. While challenges such as infrastructure, cost, and training still exist, the potential benefits far outweighs the limitations when thoughtfully implemented. By embracing immersive learning tools, curriculum designers and stakeholders as well can create meaningful, personalized learning experiences that align with the evolving needs of today's learners and tomorrow's workforce. As we continue to innovate in education, immersive technologies stand at the forefront, redefining how we teach, learn, and grow in a digital age. Thank you for your time. Have a good evening.